him! Hold him! Bombard! Two of them! Two of them!
Two of them one time. Back at it like a crack addict. Welcome back to another video. I don't know, this is your boy Nigel. We are out here without fear. If you don't believe, ask God. So today people, we're on another fishing adventure. But they have one new fishing location I've never fishing before. So today I'm going to try to see if I can catch some fish today. Alright? So I go on in front of me and look what I go on, man. We are go way over some part over some. You get me? Way over so we are go so. Even if we catch all nothing today, we're going to do some cooking as well. I'm bring some file paper and seasoning. So if I catch some fish, we're going to roast them up, see them place one spot, some catch and cook style today. Alright, so I want to lock in and watch the process. Believe. Reach down on the rock now, so right now I'm going to set out two line and see if I can hook up something right away. Alright? I have them three right here, but I'm going to use small one here for now. See if I can hook up anything on it in the gorge right there. So come in. So I throw off my line here now, peeps. I wait for the first bite here now. I feel the pick them. I get pick, you know, I get pick. This is the first one. I bring in the first one. I got beat up and chew again. May I put him down? May I beat up and chew it again. Alright, watch the process. Fish are roast. Look at that, John the fisherman. People, may I catch them out. That my gun you know, peeps. So me I throw it there again, see if I can hook up a next one. Alright, hold on next one, people. Bombard, he get to babes! He get to it too, blood! Yo, he get to it! Yo! One next jack, you know? I go back again, people. One next big jack, that one there a while ago. Oh, there again. Hold on, we'll soon hook him. Soon hook him again, peeps. Come in, Jack. Happy roast to honor tonight. Tonight. Yes. Tonight, you don't have to get roast. More roast. Me don't have no bread, but me have season. One leather back. Yo, don't make that touch you, because if that ever sting you. One leather back. Don't make him spine them catch a youth. At least you catch a fish. Peeps, John catch a fish. From me I come and see with John, first him I catch a fish.
You know what kind of fish is peeps, so put it in the comment section.
Yeah man. You see them fish if them blow, if they never juke you, see them trees up there on the back of it. If it juke you, problem. See? Them thing there on the back of it, yeah, you see them thing there? If it juke you, a problem. But in a channel full of seaweed. But we still there. I want to catch at least 4 jack. So we can roast up, guys. A catch and cook thing we are do today. No? Catch and cook. So I want to catch at least 4 jack. I got 1 jack and 1 brim. But I'm not going to watch the process. I go for one next one now, peeps. Alright, I hold one people. Hold one more people. Hold one more people. Yeah, people. Hold one more people. One brim this people. Yeah, peeps. As a fisherman, peeps. I come for them this evening, no peeps. We are come for them today, no peeps. in finally catch up me else. I be a little fish in my catch peeps. Watch out. But we sorry for him. Bait fish. Sorry for him, peeps. I be a little fish in my catch. See life pan the back of you. I throw back out there again, peeps. You hold him? Box cover. I like little fish them to blood fire. Watch it. It's like 3rd one the man catch, a 4th one.
Hold him! Hold him! One more! 2 of them! 2 of them!
I want John to go on with John! Whoa, people, watch out!
2 of them!
That is it, John, as a fisherman. So you catch fish, John. So you catch fish, youth. Believe it. If I catch 2 a while ago, I go back for some more right now. 2 one time. Say I can catch 2 more again one time. Watch your peeps. Yes, look at that. Catch all that brim here. That brim here big, man. Them big. Yeah. Yo, John, this is all people. Yo. go find a catch none.
Nah, but from a week now, I not catch none.
Yo, just try again, man. Peeps, a man over there, so hold something. Two of them. Watch them, no, man. How that barracuda top on? Which one? Yes, no man, back at it like a crack addict. So right now, people, you hear me I go there right now. Catch a few fish. So when I go there now, I go scale them and go roast few of the jack them. Alright? So we are going to do that right now. Big up John, although John don't catch a fish. He still is a fisherman. So here me I go there now, I go clean up my fish them. So I want to come in.
Fish like, whoa.
Babes, this is what me catch, babe. Me catch all of these. Can you believe it? As a fisherman. So I'm gonna get them scale off. So I'm gonna come in. So them one here people, me nah roast them one here, me I carry home them. Time here, me just a roast it jack them. Which is these. Right? So me I scale them off and check him. Babes. Done scale them off. Roast them, carry them to roast them. Then make some slicing of them when we can season them through. Look at that. As a fisher. So right now we are gonna look some firewood. Please to find some firewood. So we walk go back down to the spot. What I say? Try to see if we can catch it right or so. So I'll watch the process, alright? Look the people fire catching, look at smoke. Yes, no man. As a fish, my man. Fire catcher now. So right now, me I go do you now. I go file paper, I fish them and season them up. And cook them and bring the file paper. Yeah. Yes, no man. So we go file paper them and show them off on the fire. So roast, but we are waiting till it burn down little to a cool level. Because right now the fire too high. And we put on the fish pan it, them are going to burn up. And we don't want it to burn up, you get me? So we are waiting till it burn down a little bit. So they just watch and see what's going on, alright? We out here. Right now we are seasoning them up here. Put on the fish them on the fire for roast you now. See, it burn down to coal.
Take out somebody.
So John I go put them on you know. As a fisherman. Although him no catch no fish.
Still a fisherman thieves. Yeah, so man. Right. Trap on fish.
Take time put them down, man. hot. Smoke kill me, eh? Go on, peeps. Turn them already. Get them flipping. You can smell it already. Yeah,
Smell the
can
cook, smell the seasoning.
Yeah, man, you can smell it for true, man. Look at it. So, we're out here in the wild, people. We're out here on the seaside. So you don't know, say it's a catch and cook style. You see it? It's been a while, I catch some fish. Come and see and catch fish, and today was a blessing. So, you don't know, so we have to give Father God thanks and everything that we do. You see it? Because we catch something. Yeah, peeps. Woohoo! Hold on. So you have to flip them, you see me? Yo!
Yeah, baby, you know.
That is it. Nah smoke crack with it. So
What you say now, though?
nah smoke crack with it. Fish are for roast in a file paper. Be a jack. And one next type of fish we don't know.
From the water to the what?
From the water to the fire. And from the fire to my belly. And some man not get none. So we are giving one more turn.
No, one more turn. We just continue to turn them peeps still. Guess what? They are them cook because you can't
Yeah
leave
man,
them on one side
smell one of them, you know.
You smell one?
Yeah man, like it.
You can't
Ready
leave them
to
on
come
one
off.
side because them will burn.
We say then we
So
burn
you
up.
have to just continue to turn them. So you see you turn, you have to turn them peeps, man. Just take time. Cook. Left them on one side, they get burn up. That
Right.
you don't want.
Yeah, right now I'm gonna take off one of them and sample right now, you know, peeps. Cause that one there over here so look like it cook already. That one there, yeah. Put it right just up on the grill for me. Yeah. When it's ready, you know. When it's ready, man, put it back on the fire. Look at it. Fish look ready.
Tell you the taste, no, man.
Tastes delicious. Not even got that. Yo, they are seeing and get fish, you're well hungry, you know, man. So, when you carry enough food, come and see. Just come catch your own food. Catch and cook. Believe it. You don't believe, ask God. Where's the one try it?
Nice, man. Don't make it flow, you know.
The rest of them. I don't know people, we are take them off. Got them smell like them a bone.
You want to go and steal it like tick.
That is it. So John got burn it. Come back.
Leaves, I see that, we not catch no fish, but we take. I see that? You can just run with it now, you know.
And him not catch no fish. Look what
You
you
can just run with it now.
man not catch no fish in a half. Hold on for all I fish them.
Put them up on rocks. See my one of peeps.
Then I got go in there one him get. The
Go
one
at it.
the The one we catch, you know, one we get peeps.
Peeps I want to catch here.
one way catch get. One way find on the rock. Yeah.
Yeah.
But this full of meat, man, John. Watch there. Ridiculous. That is it. We make him enjoy it. I'll do him not catch some fish. Babes, look at the fish. Yeah. File paper burn up, but the fish not burn up. Yes. Up there. Yes. Watch it. Love the jack them. Wait, I'm gonna enjoy the rest of that fish here. But the head, I'm gonna head out of here. I want to big up everybody. Big up my loyal supporter there. Game life, I'm like, but if you hear people outdoor, in the bush, catch and cook. Eat what you catch what you eat. You see it. So, I want to tell you enough love and respect. Big up John behind the camera. You don't know, say, we'll catch you guys for another adventure. Probably in a mud, probably on the seaside, or probably in a bush. Anyway, you make me know. We link up. Big up on yourself. Bang it. I didn't know, see, I saw.
Show me catch.
I didn't know, see, I saw around here got nice to blood fire, my boy. 3 pounds.
How they far from the shop?
Yeah. Let me place there, go look. Yo, you throw weed down there, brother. Want to throw over here, so yeah. I remember say lady they down there, so say I have to watch how you throw. Just weekend. Yeah. Hold him, John, hold him. Babes, you look some firewood for start roast them fish there. So you walk the seaside and see if you can find it. So I'm going to lock in. See a dry tree over here, so chop down that tree here, so. And find on the rock.
Don't mind this. Don't mind that one. Don't mind it.
No, 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 little one, a big one.
I want to fish them there.
John can't find the fish when catch. See that. No, I don't eat that. I eat this.
You sure?
Yeah.
This no more feel like I eat.
Yeah, then I eat this.
Yeah, step up bro. This no look like it. I eat.
Bad weather?
Yeah.
Oh.
John couldn't find the fish. You want to roast fish them, mommy? I just take them off. Then
That's
I have
right.
enough coconut, yeah. You want to say a bush style? Yeah.
Yeah.
But it's full of